Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, the island is going to be continuing to be under the influence of a very significant weather system. We have a very strong trough in the center of the Caribbean basin. This is a dying frontal system that is in the center of the basin, but it does induce a trough across the Jamaica area. So we're going to be continuing to see these areas of showers and thunderstorms build across the central Caribbean tonight, as well as for tomorrow and also for Sunday. We're expecting the system to remain across the general area. Clouds, showers and thunderstorms affect Jamaica as well as parts of Cuba and Hispaniola going into Monday. Now let's have a look at the forecast for tonight. We're expecting cloudy conditions, especially across sections of northern parishes. The temperatures are expected to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to about 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. We're expecting northerly winds tonight across the south, and we're expecting the winds out of the southeast at about 5 knots across sections of northern parishes. Now the forecast for tomorrow has more of those showers, clouds and isolated thunderstorms, especially in offshore areas of the north. And then for the afternoon, we're expecting more of the activity to continue, especially across sections of southwestern parishes. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston. We expect temperatures to reach 30 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now the breakdown has cloud showers and a few thunderstorms expected across much of the southeast tomorrow. We're also expecting showers and isolated thunderstorms in the southwest in Black River, Savannah, Lamar, as well as Negril, Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Now, elsewhere across the area, showers are expected to continue, especially across Port Antonio and Port Maria. We also have very heavy showers and a few thunderstorms in sections of Moortown in Portland, also in Cave Valley and Richmond. We do also have shower activity in the west in Grange Hill. Parts of Duncans are also expected to be under the influence of shower activity, including Bog Walk as well as Golden Spring. Now, the next few days, isolated showers and thunderstorms are expected across sections of northern and southeastern parishes on Sunday. On Monday, most of the activities across the southwest and inland areas. And then on Tuesday, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy for most of the day across most of the island. For the marine forecast, on the north coast tomorrow, we're expecting a northeasterly wind across the area. Wind speeds between 10 and 15 knots, wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. While on the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting the winds out of the east at 10 knots, wave heights are averaging about a meter. For offshore areas, the winds are expected to be anywhere between 15 and 20 knots, wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. The winds are out of the east. We currently have no small craft warnings in effect. While for the next few days, you can expect variable winds across the area on Sunday. For offshore areas, the wind speeds are between 5 and 10 knots. On Monday, the winds are turning northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots and continuing into Tuesday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:43, while the sunset at Negril Point is 5:49. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.